Amazon Prime Video, or Peacock. Two streaming giants, one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Amazon Prime Video, boasting a vast library and extra perks for shoppers. And on the right, Peacock, packing all things NBC and Universal in one place. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, let's lay out how we're comparing these two. So we'll hit pricing, content library, sports coverage, original programming, user interface, exclusive features, and target audience. That's a lot. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, pricing. Amazon Prime Video is kind of sneaky here because if you already have Amazon Prime for shopping, the video part is just included. So it's like free, but not really free. If you go standalone, it's $9 a month with ads or $12 for ad-free. And if you just want to go ad-free while already being a Prime member, it's only $3 more. Honestly, that's pretty reasonable. But if you don't care about Prime shipping, the costs start stacking up and suddenly it's not that cheap. Now, Peacock. If you're a Comcast customer, get this. You actually get a free tier. Not bad, right? For others, Peacock Premium Plus comes in at about $17 a month, which is competitive in the market. And for current subscribers, the Select tier is just $8. But oof, if you want Premium, it starts at $11. And they just had a little price hike that annoyed a bunch of folks. So, based on value and options, Peacock kind of slips ahead on affordability, especially if you're a Comcast user. Content library time! Prime Video honestly just dumps a massive pile of movies and shows at you. There's tons of stuff, probably more than you'll ever need. They've got a wild movie selection, huge genre variety, plus some original series. And they're getting in on basketball soon and already have WNBA. Only thing? The interface is kinda all over the place, mixing up free, paid, and rental stuff. Sometimes it's like, wait, am I actually subscribed to this show, or do I have to buy it? Peacock, on the other hand, is like your snug NBC and Bravo hub. You get the full library from NBC and Universal, lots of reality shows, plus some exclusives like The Office and SNL. But let's be real, their library isn't nearly as deep as Prime, and some of their originals don't exactly break the internet. And every once in a while, big stuff like WWE or Hallmark just vanishes. So, for pure library size and variety, Amazon Prime Video takes the win here. Next, let's talk sports. So, Prime Video's coming in strong. Thursday Night Football, some local hockey, NBA is coming soon, and WNBA games like the Seattle Storm. But fair warning, you don't get the full NFL buffet you'd get with cable. Peacock's lineup is also impressive, though. They've got the Sunday Night Football simulcast, Olympics coverage, WWE events, and even the Tour de France. NBA is coming too, but a little less diversity than what you get with Prime Video. So while both are stacked, Prime kinda sneaks ahead with all those options. Hold up. Did you know, as of 2025, Netflix is king of the streaming world, with Prime Video right behind? So yeah, these two are duking it out for strong runner-up status. Original programming, this one's honestly a toss-up. Prime Video brings a wide slate, and yeah, the production is slick, but their originals don't always hit with audiences, you know? Peacock's got some buzzy stuff like Poker Face and Twisted Metal, and reality fans get Love Island USA and The Traitors. But again, most reviews call their exclusives pretty average, and there's not much innovation. So, I mean, both are fine, but neither is blowing my mind. Calling this a tie. User interface. This can actually make or break the whole experience, right? Prime Video's got tons of ways to discover content. And cool, but it ends up being kinda cluttered. Owned movies mixed with rentals and third-party stuff, and sometimes you have to squint to figure out what's free and what'll hit your wallet. Peacock's UI, though, feels more streamlined. It's not perfect. Some folks say browsing lags now and then, or the search is a pain. But overall, way cleaner and easier to figure out where everything is. So, Peacock takes this round. You want exclusive features? Okay, this is where Prime Video does a little flex. First off, if you have Amazon Prime for shopping, the video stuff isn't just a perk. The free shipping, $139 value, yeah, it all gets bundled in. Plus, you can rent or buy content, so if you're chasing that one movie no one has, you can just grab it. And 4K playback comes with no extra charge, streaming on 3 devices at once. Pretty nice. Peacock's main draw here is that free plan if you're a Comcast broadband customer, and live NBC streaming with Premium Plus. But there's not much extra zing, and honestly, not a ton of unique perks. This is a clear win for Prime Video on features. And who's actually going to love each service? Prime Video is practically made for Amazon shoppers who want everything, plus the sports crowd and variety lovers. If you're always buying stuff on Amazon, the video feature is just cake. But honestly, if you don't care about Prime shipping, it's less exciting. Peacock is the go-to if you're all about NBC or Bravo shows, love reality TV, or get perks from Comcast. And if you're big on certain sports leagues, they cover you, but if you're outside the NBC bubble, might feel limited. So, for the audience, it's just about your vibe. So if you're a data nerd, here's how they stack up across all these categories. You can see Prime Video kind of popping in content and exclusive features, while Peacock is competitive on price and user interface. But the chart tells you the strength isn't evenly split. Okay, so my take. If you want a huge library, those doubled up shopping and streaming perks, and a wild spread of sports, go Amazon Prime Video. If you're laser focused on NBC content or want a deal, especially with Comcast, Peacock makes sense. Plus, way easier to navigate. Bottom line, pick the one that matches your viewing mood. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more streaming showdown breakdowns. Catch you next time.